Alright guys, yesterday got the motor pulled. We've been waiting on a couple parts like an oil pump and a gasket set because I'm replacing all the gaskets on the motor. So getting ready to throw the motor back in today. So we'll get her running today, I hope. So only took us about 3 hours to pull the motor the other day. So but usually takes double that to put it back in. But then we'll get this thing running and hopefully get it up for sale this week is the plan. But guys, stay tuned and we'll get moving. Alright guys, we're going to get this thing put in. Got pretty much everything ready to go. And I have my pin pulled out. I got grease on the input shaft there a little bit. Make it easier to slide in. But well, hey guys, so I got it all buttoned up. It does run and drive really good, actually. Got to get the tuning down a little bit, but really happy. I did have to change out the belt, well, the AC bracket. It was kind of tweaked. They discontinued that bracket, and I guess they have some issues. So I got their new bracket. They gave me a great discount on it, so super cool. So guys, got this done. It's going up for sale here shortly. I'm putting it on that bringatrailer.com. So if you guys want to see that, it's going to be up there in a few weeks. So keep an eye out. I had pictures taken last night. So they said that after the pictures, it's about a week or two. So super excited. So guys, hit subscribe and let me know what you think.